We're very pleased to be participating in Cloud Expo Europe this year in London. We are a silver sponsor and we will be showcasing two of our main service offerings. The first is end-to-end product development for the global fintech marketplace, and the second will be software team augmentation. At Cloud Expo Europe, we will be located right in the centre of things, and our stand will be right next door to the Future of Fintech Theatre, so there's no way you can miss us. We're really pleased that our head of technology will be joining us this year, and he will be sharing his thoughts on a number of fintech-related issues. Within the fintech world and within software development especially, there are a number of variables such as on-premise, cloud, different databases, different technologies, and different programming languages. And what we will be doing is discussing what is right within the fintech world and does it really matter? So Jake will share with us 5 different things which are so key when taking into consideration the build of your software, and he will steer us through that process and share his thoughts on how that could be improved and make it effective for you. So Code and Pepper will be at Cloud Expo Europe to answer some of these questions and give you access to some of the best technology advice out there.